what's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413. Back for another one with you guys. Illegal dirt biker here. Got no plates on that bike, boy. So guys, how you guys been? It's been a long time. I miss you guys. I miss you guys a lot. You know what I'm saying? Guess what, guys? Woo! Oh yeah! We at 1,000 subscribers, guys. We finally hit 1,000. I'm super hyped. Yo, today I am so hyped. You guys don't even understand. I'm super hyped. I got 1,000 subscribers. Happened like about 3 o'clock in the morning last night. My 1,000 subscribers hit subscribed. I know because I work 5 to 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. So I was up at that time. But I'm at 1,000, guys. Time to be monetized. Definitely gonna be bringing more videos. I'm gonna try to bring one at least once a week, if not 2. Yes, guys, I'm so excited. And then another reason I'm super excited, because right now, right this minute, you know where I'm headed? I'm going to get a haircut. Woo! Oh yeah, a mother freaking haircut. I haven't had a haircut in about 3 months. I cut my hair myself a couple months ago, like 2 months ago. I had to cut it myself. It was getting too nappy, you know. It was messed up. So I had to cut it myself. I did a little, like, you know what I'm saying, a little baldy. I went a baldy. But now I'm gonna go see my boy G, and I'm gonna go get me a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be fresh. I haven't been fresh for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I used to get haircuts every single week. Like every single week I used to get a haircut. Cause I live like right down the street from the barber shop. So I'm like, I wake up, I'll be bored. I'm like, I'm gonna go get a haircut. So every week it's 20 bucks on a haircut. I moved now, so I bought a house and we moved, and we live in Chicopee now, and my barber shop's in Springfield. So haircuts got a little less. So like even before the pandemic started, I probably didn't have a haircut for like a good like 2 or 3 weeks. And then it started. And then I went a month without no haircut, and I was like, oh, I can't do this no more. I had to shave it myself. But I called my boy G, made an appointment yesterday for today, 1 o'clock. I got 10 minutes to get there. Woo! I'm so hyped. And another, guys, you notice? Quad lock. I'm rocking quad lock now. We got the quad lock now. Oh yeah. Yes, way better than the ram mount, I say, in my personal opinion. I had a ram mount and I lost about 4 phones with it. But not blaming the ram mount. I would say it's my fault partially, because when I bought the ram mount, it had the little thing that goes over the edges, and I use it. But when you're like trying to stretch that little rubber thing with your gloves on and stuff, it like stretches a little bit. So I ended up, first like one corner broke, then another corner broke, so I had opposite corners on there, and eventually another corner broke, so it wasn't holding no more. So I was just using it without the rubber supporter tether. That's what it's called. If you go on the website, it's called a tether. So I was using it well without the tether, and I lost a few phones. So I upgraded. I got the quad lock now. The quad lock, I bought the quad lock, and I also bought the quad lock charger. So on the back of the quad, on the top of the quad lock mount that mounts to the bar, there's a little charger that goes there. It has a wire that runs down to your battery, so you can charge your phone. A little short wire, charge my phone while I'm riding, which is awesome. And I actually can use this charger when I put my other camera up top. I can use my charger from here to charge that if I'd like. So they give you the wire for the quad lock. The charger, the wire, is made to go to the battery. So if you make it go to the battery, that means your charger is going to have power 100% of the time. Even when your bike's off, they're going to be having power to there. So, which is a good thing. So if your phone's dying, kind of a good thing. So if your phone's dying and you're not riding, you just want to sit it on there real quick and charge it because you're out somewhere and your phone needs a charge. You're like hanging out like at a park or something, and you need to throw it on there and let it charge. You can. But like, you know how they say like your microwave is using power, or everything is using power when it's just plugged in. So I don't know if this does that because there's no light on it or nothing, but I just assume that it's probably using power. Like they say, everything's using power when it's plugged in. So what I did is I used like piggyback wire or accessory wire that goes up underneath the panel here that plugs in for accessories. You can get it on Slingmon or La Monster Garage. I purchased that for my my LEDs. So I hooked the charger up to that as well. So now my charger only works if the bike is running, which is how I wanted it, because I didn't want it to come out one day and there not be a starting bike, you know what I'm saying? My battery be dead. So yeah. Probably gonna be doing a video real soon about my equipment, because I've been asked about my bike, what I got on my bike, my helmet. So I can tell you now, actually. I was doing another video showing and stuff, but my helmet is the Sena Momentum helmet. It's not the light, it's the regular one. It doesn't have the noise canceling, but it's the Sena integrated helmet, Momentum integrated helmet. The reason I went for the Sena integrated helmet over buying a helmet and then getting my communicator separately is because I wasn't going to buy a $100 helmet, $150 helmet. You know what I'm saying? It's protecting my head. I'm going to, you know what I'm saying? Even though it says DOT approved, $100, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, yeah. So I was planning on spending like $250 to $300 on my helmet. So with that being said, if I would have bought a helmet for $250 to $300, and then I would have bought the Sena communicator, which at the time was probably like $349, I would have been spending like $550, $600 for everything, for my setup. With me buying the Sena helmet integrated, the helmet was only $450. So it saved me about $100 at minimum, you know what I'm saying? So that was my logic on there, and why I did it, and why I went over some reviews and of the helmet before I purchased it, and a lot of reviews said that when you purchase the helmet, the purchase is a little bigger because it runs small. So I watched a couple of reviews like that, and then I seen a couple of reviews that said it wasn't small. So I took my own advice and I just ordered the size that my head said it would be. And after I got the helmet, it killed my ears. Like putting it on, no, not even putting it on, taking it off was killing my ears. Like it was killing my ears. Like, oh my god, I felt like I was gonna die. Like I bought one of those little head scarf things to go on your head so it can cover my ears, keep my ears flat. So when I take it off, it'll flip my ears up. And that helped for a while, but eventually the side pads got broken in, and it wasn't so stiff on my ears going in and out. So right now it goes on and off pretty good. I have no problem with it. But like it does run a little bit small. So if you're gonna get a size, I would say go one size up, because my nose literally touches like there's like a little nose bridge thing, and my nose, like the tip of my nose just touches that. And with my face being so close to the front of the helmet, when like just a little bit cool air out and I'm fogging up, you know what I'm saying? They do sell a new, like after I bought this helmet, they came up, because there was a lot of fogging issues with the mask, because I guess the ventilation is not that good, I guess. But they make another bridge thing for the nose that covers it up to stop the fogging. I haven't purchased it because I'm a cheap dude, you know what I'm saying? I'm cheap. But I actually love this helmet. I love the integratedness. I love being able to listen to music at the same time. Why? I can listen to music and navigate at the same time. I can listen to music and communicate at the same time. Has multitasking. I just love the helmet. I'm actually in the market right now to get another helmet, And I've been looking at a couple ones. I wanted like a Predator helmet, a couple different things I wanted, but I think I'm just gonna go back and grab another one of these helmets. Personally, that's what I think. Oh man. I'm running a little late talking to you guys.